Hi, this is Grandpa Photography with some more tips and tricks about making images out of Burning Man. And one thing we haven't talked about yet is spares. Burning Man is all about spares. You can't just run down to your local Best Buy or wherever you get your camera gear from and pick up another set of batteries. Always have spare batteries. If your camera has the ability to have an adapter that will take like AA's, get one. You can always find AA's. But take extra batteries, take extra cards, take extra, and have some of those on you. You don't have to take all of them, but a second set of batteries or a one extra battery could be the difference between being in the middle of the playa and something amazing going on and you capturing it or not. And think about, you may be without power for a couple of days. Your camp's generator may go out. You may have issues with those types of things. So try and plan ahead. What do I need to get me through the next 2 to 3 days? Anyway, if you like this, drop me a comment. Ask any questions down in your comments. You can also contact me through Grandpa Photography on Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.